Welcome, J&J fans. This is winter 2024 into 2025. This is January the 9th of 2025. This is at around 3 o'clock p.m. Here's an update of Cricket, my bobtail cat. Hi, Cricket! 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 Hi, baby! Say hi! Say hi, J&J fans! Oh, oh, oh! Another J&J to the video. That's Fishy. He has lost a little bit of weight. Cricket's the one that's gaining weight now. Okay, that's an update on cats. Okay, we made it at the studio. Woohoo! A little warm in here. This place been kind of... It's 86 in here right now. Woo! 29 humidity. Okay, everything's... It's all these PCs running. Okay, currently we are 32. Wind chill's 26. Here's the plan 5-day planner. Currently 30 degrees. And here's the outside camera. We got currently snow. So we got weather caps. We got this one. This is pretty much merch from the old weather channel. We're gonna load some video up later. We're gonna jump over here, check the highways, bring up a couple cameras. You know how that is. Still, sky cams live, weather. You're gonna probably let me bring Oklahoma City up. Snow. Stillwater. No, that was not working. Okay, get out of that. Highway maps. Been so long time. Models, forecast, traffic conditions. Maybe that's it. Man. Traffic. Okay. Maps, models. Studio, toss-up, radar. Weather. Skycam. We gotta look at that one. Here's another one. Maybe, yeah, this is it right here. Recheck. Arena, tossa. Open. We check that out in a little bit. First thing first, we're gonna bring up radar. Pause this real fast, guys. Okay, Twitch. Here's one camera right there. Games, home cams. So we can move this one over here, right there. Replace. Do. We check yellow fast. Here we go. We're gonna check yellow camera. It's offline. We don't have camera in yellow. That's not good. Okay, here's the current outside cams. Quite a few of them. We just have to kind of dig around in here. A lot of them not really charged. We can do a little fast swing around. We got quite a bit of snow out there. Front door. Cell. And then we got this one right here. It's not up and running. But yeah, we got quite a bit of snow out there. That's the studio cams. Current temperature. Here's the information. It's pretty much got above freezing. We're going to take a fast look. The yellow is the heaviest. The lighter the blue is, lighter the snow is. So pretty much here's the scale right here. Not much going on right now. I'm gonna put it in motion real fast. Okay, we're gonna look at the map. Okay, the camera is what we're gonna be looking at. It's right here. The interstate. I'm gonna click on it. Payne County. I'm gonna try and bring that up real fast. Be Payne County. I'm gonna zoom back out a little bit. This is the one we want, right? Yeah, right in here. So, find the camera. The camera should be in here somewhere. It's right there. I-35 cam. You're gonna let that load up. Traffic seems to be doing pretty good, really. This is I-35. Camera's frozen up. Traffic looking good on I-35. We're gonna make that small. Keep that open for now. Okay, this is the official map. The blue dot is Stillwater right here. Zoom out. We got quite a bit of snow throughout the state. Heavier stuff to the south. Got some mixed batch right here in Texas. All this is pushing to the north and northeast. We're gonna bring up. Let's see what we got here. Turn the clouds off. Clouds. We don't need the clouds on. There we go. Here's the actual precipitation right here, guys. Stillwater, you are in a break right now. We got about an inch, half inch to inch already. From noon to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So we're going to continue watching this as this unfolds. Possible snow for the next 2 days, on and off. We'll be hanging out, nowhere. We'll be camping out right here at this site today. This currently time and stuff will be on the way now. We are currently on a winter storm for Stillwater. Okay, what's this one? Winter weather and winter storm warnings for Stillwater. You click on back on that. Stillwater again. Winter storm. Impacts. Slippery roads and stuff. 3 to 5 inches, guys. 3 to 5 inches is coming for Stillwater right here. So it started. Get what you need and get back home. We're going to continue watching this as it unfolds. Currently, it's 1/9/2025 at 3 p.m. Current condition. Look at the temperature radar again. Zoom in. This is our viewing area. Zoom out, Oklahoma City. And we'll be collecting data as this goes. 3 to 5 inches possible. Total snow. Well, stuff is starting to melt. About knuckles deep. So about an inch maybe. We got the temperature cut up pretty high, so things starting to melt. I meet you at the campsite. We're gonna probably be staying out at the campsite overnight and testing out the campsite, the temperatures and stuff. Okay, we made it to the campsite. Beautiful out here. Cut the gas up on so we have heat. Make sure we have some heat. Yeah, there we go. Heat. Solar panels probably be all. Solar panels would be not useless. We got a little chair where we just sit out. You see the footprints. You see the beautiful snow. This is where we at. Beautiful out here. Okay, here's the pretty much the camper. We got this right here for everything. Yeah, we ain't got no really no hardly any solar. So what we're gonna do? Get in here, power it up. Oh, we got power. Good. Lock that. Move this over. Probably start a generator later. Okay, bathroom. Check the water. Oh, good. We got water. Fire. Heater. Okay, we got heat. We're gonna have to clean up a little bit. As you can tell, Pepsi and Dr. Pepper drinker. We got a little little window there for fresh air, sunlight. Go ahead and close this up. Actual drinking filter water. That's water I do for like cooking, washing dishes. This is from the tank. Okay, you can tell I've been here. It's a mess. So currently, what we need to do: open up the laptops, put the weather on here, heaters up. Temperature is currently 72, so not bad. It's holding heat. Got a sleeping bag, you know. But yeah, it's outside my window. It is cold out there. It's snowing. It's 37 in my location right now versus where I were earlier. I was at around freezing. Internet's working. Looks like maybe. The water seems to be not frozen, so that's a plus. Put that down. Arrange a sleeping area. Power converter. Check the batteries a little bit. Camera up here seems to be okay. Like I said, we got pretty much star phones. We'll be sleeping like a queen. King, queen. Sleeping bag should be up here. Blankets, sleeping bag, sheets. Solar panels, 2 of them right there. Plus got one right here. Hopefully we can get some sun. Charge up the battery some more. We don't really have anything in the refrigerator other than drinks, but we do have a food storage. Odds and ends, and soups and stuff. Chips and snacks over here. Beef jerky, cookies, laptop bag, radio, extra water, which should be good for a few days. Yeah. Then right here, we can go right here. Go is. Click it. Get ready to cut the heat down. I tell you what, this thing's holding up pretty good. I'm happy. Got water here. I can finish drinking on. We got bring up some radar a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real fast, guys. Blue dot is where we are located now. They said wet patches from previous rain were already. We're still under uh, winter storm, 3 to 5 inches. So this will be hanging out tonight, guys. Oh yeah, we got a scanner, battery. Run up when we run off the battery, we can run off the radio. That we got backup battery, AAA lights, DC, AC DC power system with solar panel, which should be okay. It's already 75 in here. It only took a second to heat up. Still have the Christmas tree in here. The antenna's out and stuff, so we should be able to pick up regular antenna. We're gonna give that a try. Just give me a minute. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been out here. Good system. This is my wife's trailer. Crap. I don't even know how to work TV. Oh, source. Okay, there we go. TV. Let's see if that works. It's gonna work. Gonna go to TV. What are you doing? There we go. You have to hit TV.
Are not. Your more traveled roads are better. Your less traveled roads
we got
are
antenna.
Bad.
Okay, we got live antenna, guys. We all comfortable.
That's a good idea.
We got water. We got food.
Off ramps, on ramps. We've had a lot of accidents today across Oklahoma, and we're not finished yet. Temperatures right now: 30 in Enid, 20
Air
in
conditioner.
Norman, 31 in El Reno. So we're
No
still
leaks. Should be
freezing.
no leaks. This
The
is
sun
pretty
is
reasonable.
up. You can
Newest
see it,
trailer.
it's doing a pretty good job. Again, holding the ground, at least
You can lay down.
helping us out.
Kind of watch radar.
We are above freezing in the far north. Everybody else, basically upper 20s to near 30.
Yep, this is our setup for now.
Bit of melting going on.
We got more laptops and stuff for more equipment. So I'll be making phone calls through the system later. Should be able to call out through the computer.
This will continue into the afternoon. Might get a little bit lighter as we get into the afternoon, but it's not going to completely go away. It'll ramp up. We'll get some moderate to heavy snow, and then it will come back down just a bit. It will
it's
gonna
gonna.
again, and it might even be a little more off and on. Rain amounts, again, talking about snow amounts, rain in Texas, snow amounts look like this. Anywhere across the metro so far, we've had about 1 inch to 2 to 2.5 inches in the south metro
Stillwater.
so far. And down south, Norman, Pauls Valley, Sulphur, 4
Vision.
to 5 inches of snow.
Oh, Stillwater only got 0.6.
In the southwest, we'll say
I think it says half inch, but it's about knuckle.
But this snow will be expanding into
It's my knuckle. Oops, zoom out.
Road conditions, not impassable. Roads are not shut down, but in the purple from Woodward through the metro into eastern and southern.
Snow and ice.
Southwestern Oklahoma. A lot of these roads, more so than not, are snow and ice covered, basically snow covered. So if you got to get out and about, you can go, but you got to go slow. All right, so here's
we pretty much
Oklahoma, rain into Texas. The spin is back in New Mexico, and until that moves by, this snow is going to continue not only for the afternoon, but through this evening and tonight. And look at that big ball of snow now across Oklahoma, even back into Woodward, Buffalo, and Beaver. A little bit of some dry air beginning to come into southwestern Oklahoma.
Yeah, that's what we done.
The snow totals down there across the metro. You see the greens growing to the yellow. That's going to be moderate to heavy snow over Shawnee and Seminole. Across the metro, this is mainly light to every now and then some moderate snow right now.
We could probably get a bag of chips or so.
Anytime soon. And again,
it's currently, I think it's around 3:30. 25
to 30 miles per hour. Woodward now, Buffalo, Laverne, moderate to heavy snow up there. And as we jump into western Oklahoma,
77 degrees. Look, 77 degrees. Just me being here, and I turned the furnace off at 73. It's scathing heat.
Let's check in with our trackers now. Let's go to Hank and Patty Brown to get an update. And Hank, kind of a wild morning.
What I need to do is turn some of the lights off, save some power for the night.
While it looks like that service road right there isn't too terribly bad, give us an update. And
okay, we'll be back on. We'll be back on making videos throughout the night. I'll be uploading. This is the 3 o'clock update.
So they've got a lot of salt in the
Oklahoma City is more slippery and more heavier snow than Stillwater. Stillwater official is half inch, what I understood just a second ago. And at my location, we have about half inch to an inch. So radar showing a clear spot.
Again, you can get out. He's driving along. You can see I-240 here.
That's I-240 there.
But you got to go slow. Now remember, when the sun goes down today, we're going to stop all that warming we're getting. So we're still going to have snow.
It's going to be slick and hatchet tonight, guys. Stay off the road.
A little bit worse this evening when the sun goes down and into tonight. Let's go to where we've had nearly just over a half a foot of snow. Let's check with Jeremy Carter.
Where?
He's down in southern Oklahoma. He's down near Sulphur. And great shot there, Jeremy.
Lucky.
Your cameras look great. Picture looks good. Give us an update on how much snow and how are the roads. How's I-35 down there? It looks like it just went over it. Go ahead.
About a foot, is that said?
Yeah, southbound it goes to a standstill just south of where I'm at. And so far the snow's heavy down here. You can see the road that I'm driving on, snow covered. I have taken a measurement of 7 inches at mile marker 58.
Dang.
You know there's some melting going on as it's falling. So
I think that's what's going on here. It's melting as it falls.
8 inches right in this area where I'm at, David. Back to you.
But tonight, all this going to face back up and the road's going to be slick and hatchet.
For sure, but
with the additional snowfall.
Shot again down near Sulphur, and he's talking anywhere from 6 to possibly nearly 8 inches of snow. That's a big deal. All right, let's go to Tom Pastrano. Beautiful shot, though. First winter storm of the year for the body of the state. We like it. Tom, down south, what's your location? Give us an update, and you can see all the sand there, so the road crews have done a good job, but lots of slush, and we've had, again, you've seen them, a lot of accidents here this morning, and we're not
I'm going to bring up a different radar.
Yeah, I'm on I-35 going north in Norman right now. I can tell you the southbound
This
lane
current,
of I-35
see Stillwater's in the clear.
Probably through that construction by Riverwind, but it extends all the way to Main Street. Slow going south. But
Stillwater's in the clear.
Pretty slushy.
This is the heavy stuff in the yellows, like I was saying earlier.
We had some really big flakes and heavy snow. So as it kind of let up, the roads have become more slushy.
So we're going to continue watching this.
Earlier, I couldn't see the road at all. It was a whiteout. But yeah, right now the snow is continuing, and I have seen
36 here in my location. South and east of Stillwater.
Yeah, and that's going to be a problem. So, like Tom said,
so the temperature's been flexing. I think it might be picking up off the wall because it's like aluminum skin or metal skin on the travel trailer. So it might be picking up heat off the wall because it's 77 degrees in here. Here's the current time. Information.
And his road, this is going to be, it looks like I-35. We'll get an update from back.
How about I-35 travel?
Really.
I showed a video earlier of I-35 in Stillwater, north and south. Looks good. The Highway 51 was good around lunchtime. So we're going to continue to watch this as this winter weather event unfolds. Stay tuned. I'll be posting another video around probably 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe and hit that bell. Share us out. And don't forget to watch the whole video. And don't forget to like us because that helps us on the algorithm. And it will definitely help us to be shown on the YouTube. If you don't, follow through those instructions, then our videos won't be shared out to the algorithm. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.